If you look at this problem, easily we can draw the graph to this particular function and get the answer to the question. Is it okay? So let's say that this is the x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. You consider the graph of y is equal to e to the power minus x. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to e to the power 0, that is equal to 1, which means this is the point 0, this is the point 1, this is the point 2, this is the point 3, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly here this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, correct or not? When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to e to the power minus 1, 1 by e value is how much? 1 by 2.718 and so on. So basically it is almost equal to half. So the graph of the function will look something like this. The graph will pass through the point 0, 1, right? The graph will pass through the point 0, 1. This is 2, what I have marked here. The graph will pass through the point like this. This is the graph of, what is this graph? This is the graph of y is equal to e to the power minus x. Do you agree? Yes. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2.718 something. So the graph will exactly pass like this, correct? Something like this. The graph will pass exactly like this. Yes, schematic sketch like this. What is the meaning of y is equal to minus x? X and y you take. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, when x is minus 1, y is plus 1. When x is minus 2, y is plus 2, correct? And so on. So if you basically see, when 0 like this, the graph passes like this, correct? The graph passes like this and so on. When x is 1, y is minus 1. When x is 2, y is minus 2. If you can clearly see, this is the graph of y is equal to minus x, right? Y is equal to minus x. Here this is minus 1, here this is minus 2, here this is minus 3 and so on. If you see the two graphs are not touching each other at all. When the two graphs are not touching each other, what is the answer that we mark? We mark the answer as option A, which means A intersection B, the elements of this set and this set, they will not intersect each other. There is no point of intersection. It's a disjoint set. So A intersection B is equal to null set is the answer.